Hello and welcome to today's video. And today we're going to look at the amount of, number of, and quantity of, and how to use them in sentences. So first we're going to look at amount of and number of. We use amount of with uncountable nouns. Number of is used with countable nouns. So for example, we use a huge amount of paper in the office every day. Or the amount of time it took to finish the job was very frustrating. Now, number of, a great number of students volunteer each year for environmental projects. Not a great amount of students volunteered to help. Another example, I have a number of things I want to talk to you about. Okay, quantity of or quantities of. Quantity is more formal than amount or number. A quantity or quantities of can be followed by a countable noun or an uncountable noun. They are most commonly used with an adjective such as huge, big, large, small to show the size of the quantity. So, for example, the soldiers discovered a large quantity of weapons hidden under the floor of the building. Weapons is a countable noun. You only need a small quantity of salt to make pizza. Salt is uncountable. Large quantities of illegal drugs have been discovered. Drugs is countable. And aid workers have delivered huge quantities of food to refugee camps. Uncountable. So, okay, nothing very complicated there. One thing I would say is you usually use number of when it involves people. Okay, there were, and you have to choose a number, an amount, or a quantity, and there can be more than one answer. So there were a number or an amount or a quantity of people waiting at the bus station. What do you think? And so I'm going to go on with the answer. If you need more time, press the pause button and then unpause when you're ready. So here's the answer. There were a number of people waiting at the bus station. Can't use amount or quantity. Next one. To make your curry taste good, add a small number, amount, or quantity of salt. And the answer, to make your curry taste good, add a small amount of salt. Or, to make your curry taste good, add a small quantity of salt. As I said before, quantity is a little bit more formal. The government said that the number, amount, quantity, and quality of cars made in Thailand was very high. And the answer, the government said that the number and quality of cars made in Thailand was very high. Or, the government said that the quantity and quality of cars made in Thailand was very high. So, the government said that the quantity and quality of cars made in Thailand was very high. They are more likely to use this one because the sound or the pronunciation of quantity and quality sounds good together. They both start with QU and end with ITY. So quantity and quality together have a special sound. Also, because it's the government, they are likely to use a more formal word. Next one. The number, amount, or quantity of coffee grown in Thailand has been increasing every year. And the answer for that one, and the answer is the amount of coffee grown in Thailand has been increasing every year, or the quantity of coffee grown in Thailand has been increasing every year. Either one is fine. Our football team won 10-0. That's the highest number or amount or quantity of goals we've scored since 2017. And the answer, our football team won 10-0. That's the highest number of goals we've scored since 2017. Or, no, just kidding. Only one correct answer. The Thai government said the number or amount or quantity of refugees with no ID had increased very fast since the coup in Myanmar. And the answer is the Thai government said the number of refugees with no ID had increased very fast since the coup in Myanmar. Next one. Our teacher said the number, amount, or quantity of students who were late was too high. And the answer is the government said the amount of rice which was wasted in 2024 was too high. Or the government said the quantity of rice which was wasted in 2024 was too high. Rangsit University said it would halve the number or the amount or the quantity of students it accepted from outside Thailand. And the answer is Rangsit University said it would halve the number of students it accepted from outside Thailand. And the next one, which is the last one, music is one of a number or amount or quantity of subjects which young people and old people don't agree about. And the answer is music is one of a number of subjects which young people and old people don't agree about. And this is the end, my friend. See you next time.